Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta, and for today's video, I don't know if you guys saw my previous video where I used the Anastasia new— oh my god, Jesus, this almost hit me in my eye when I was filming the video, and it just happened again. Oh my god. Anyways, I will leave the link to this video in the description box below. I do the same thing, it's just a review, and for today's video, I'm obviously going to be using the Sunset Collection, this beautiful box right here, and I will talk about pricing by the end of this video. But if you guys would like to see how I created this beautiful eye look and what I think about this palette, then just keep on watching. Pretty much for the daytime and the sunset eyeshadow palettes, they both have the same formula, both the mattes and the shimmers. They both apply very beautiful. Okay, I'm going to start off by applying the Birkin shade as a transition shade all over my crease, and I'm using the Beach Cosmetics brush to apply it, and this seems very blendable and buildable. This is like the perfect shade to use as a transition shade. I'm also going to bring it down to my lower lash line, and I'm applying that with the same brush. Now I'm going to take this dark brown shade called Horizon, and I'm using the Anastasia A14 brush to apply that first on my crease. And you have to be really careful and make sure you get just a little bit of the shade because it's very pigmented. You do get a lot of product on the brush, so I'm just going to start by applying a little bit of that and blend it out on my crease, and then just little by little start building it up. So this is with the first layer. Now I'm going to add the second one, and I just got a little bit more, and I'm going to put it over that, and then using the same brush very lightly start blending out the edges in circular motions like this. And I love that this is a dark shade, very pigmented, but it blends out very nice. Yeah, it's not so hard to blend out. And I'm just gonna get a little more and pack it on the outer corner and then blend it out. And now for the fun part, I'm going to take this shimmery shade with the Anastasia A2 brush. I'm not going to wet it, and I'm going to put it on my eyelid, and you'll see how pigmented and how much product applies to my eyelid. This is a very, very gorgeous shade, and I'm obsessed. And yes, I do get a bit of a fallout, but it's not too much to where I don't like it. This isn't bad at all, and look at that. And now to the next fun part, I'm going to apply the next shimmery shade, Blue Flash, with this Elf Cosmetics Small Precision brush on my lower lash line. And this shade is gorgeous, and I can't wait to apply this on my eyelid when I do another look, obviously. It's such a beautiful shade. Well, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like this look. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and let me know what you think of this whole collection, daytime sunset collection. Would you buy it? I will leave the link to their website in the description box below in case you guys are interested. I had to wear the cute little sunglasses right there, and my hair is full of foundation, but let's just try to ignore that. And now for the prices, you can purchase this whole PR box. The Sunset Collection is $48, including the cute sunglasses. It's just whatever is in this box, $48. The Quads eyeshadow palette go for $32. The lipsticks was, I'm actually wearing the, where'd it go? I applied Anastasia's Peachy lipstick all over my lips, and on top of that, their new lip gloss, which comes in the Sunset Collection. And each lip gloss goes for $16. And yeah, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload in English and in Spanish every week, so be a part of this little family. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!